This was the hardest PSLE math question that appeared yesterday as the last question. Do you want to learn how to solve it?
The figure is made up of three identical equilateral triangles. Find the length of AB, find the perimeter of the shaded parts. Let's label letters to represent each unknown part. So for this part, let's label as A. This part here, let's label it as B. Last but not least, this part here, let's label this as C. Let's zoom in to the first length of an equilateral triangle, which is here. We know that this is 18 plus A. Since they are identical, so the length of this equilateral triangle will be the same as the length of this second equilateral triangle, and this is the same as A plus B plus 3. Now looking at both sides of the equation, we have A on the left side and A on the right side. So we simply minus away the A, we will get 18 equals to B plus 3. So to get B, we will take 18 minus 3, and that will give us 15. Let's take a look at here, which is 41. We know that 41, we can actually minus away 15, minus away 3, and we will get our C. So to get C, it will be 41 minus 15 minus 3. And that will give us 23. So the value here is 23. Now to get one side of equilateral triangle, it will be like this. So this will be also the same as all the different length of this equilateral triangle, which means we have gotten our answer for part A, which is the length of AB. So to find AB is simply taking 23, add up with the 3, and that will give us 26. So part A answer will be 26 cm. For part B, to find out the perimeter of the shaded parts, let's first begin with this side of the shaded part. We know that this is 26 from part A. Hence, we are going to add this in next. To find out here and here, you'll realize it's impossible to find them separately here and here. Hence, the way is we actually know that this side, we can push it there and it will be the same as this. In other words, here and here is the same as one side of equilateral triangle, which is also 26. So I'm going to add another 26 here. And over here, we have an 18 cm that make up the shaded part as well. So let's add 18. Next, we also have this part here, which is also a side of equilateral triangle, which is 26. Next, we will have here and here, which is basically the same as you pushing this part over here, and you will form one side of an equilateral triangle, which is also 26. Last but not least, we also have this part here, which we found is a 23. Now, adding everything together, we will get the answer of 145. Hence, part B, your answer will be 145 cm. Did you get this correct?